Hey there, welcome to Mysticut. Today, I'm gonna share with you a game-changing tip for video editing that'll save you time and headaches. First of all, why it's useful. Imagine you're working on a long video project, maybe a 2-hour movie with special effects or a lengthy tutorial with intricate editing. The rendering process for such projects can be time-consuming, especially if you're dealing with complex effects or high-resolution footage. So, what if you encounter a crash or a power outage during the very last second of your exporting? It's a nightmare scenario, right? You have to re-render the whole video. But fear not. By exporting your videos in parts, you can minimize the risk and ensure that your hard work is never jeopardized. This technique not only safeguards against unexpected interruptions, but also allows you to manage rendering times more efficiently, making the overall editing process smoother and more manageable. Okay, let's dive into the tutorial and I'll walk you through the process. Okay, after you open your project in DaVinci Resolve, you can navigate to the Deliver tab. Ensure you are exporting as H.264 with consistent quality for all segments. Select in and out points for each segment with precise timing, then add them to the render queue. Keep in mind to select the exact frame, just like this. Now, clear in and out points, then add another task for audio rendering. Disable the export video option and add it to the render queue. This won't take long. Exporting the audio separately ensures that you avoid any potential audio issues during the merging process in Avidemux. Okay, now hit render all. Once all segments and audio are exported, use Pasera Audio Extractor to extract audio from the exported audio file without loss of quality. Now, open Avidemux and drag and drop all video segments. You see? Just like this. You can also select them one by one. Once all the parts imported, you can go to the Audio tab, select Tracks, choose the first track, add the extracted audio file, then hit OK. Select MP4 as the container and save. You can give it a name and hit save. Boom! And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can export your videos in parts and merge them seamlessly using DaVinci Resolve, Avidemux, and Pasera Audio Extractor. This tutorial may be a bit advanced, but mastering this technique is essential for every video editor, as it provides a great control over your projects and safeguard against potential setbacks. You can also do this in Premiere Pro. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Mysticut for more tips, tricks, and secrets in video editing. Thanks for watching.